2 wooden spoons. We're going to use the handles. They're about 6mm thick. Firstly, put the bottom one in spot, because then it can sit on the ground. Then slide the top one into the spot. These have to go right on the weld. Close the door. Find something to sit against the door. Walk away for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then proceed to open the door and see whether the gap. See this one here? There's only about 1mm gap. If there's bad hinge, if the weld is too heavy, the plastic should crush. You can damage the door if you happen to have too big a product in there and cannot push the door closed. Be careful.